Imagine being stressed out every day because you have to go to work and deal with a boss who's super bossy. And that's one of the many reasons why people like me just want to make money online. It's easier. I don't have to go through the hassle of that. Today, I'm going to show you a great website that's going to make you so much money so you don't have to deal with your boss anymore. And you can make a lot of money as well and earn up to $400. So make sure you click on What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Our method for today is completely free and it is worldwide available as always, because you guys know I want to prepare something for you guys that is always available for everybody, that is always accessible to everyone. So you have to watch until the very end, because I am going to give you a lot of bonus tips, tricks, and tools that's going to help you make this method even more easier than it already is. So make sure you watch until the end and let's jump right into it. Now, I want you to take a look at this website section on Amazon.com. This is the Kindle books section. So if you go down over here, you're going to notice that there are a lot of people selling ebooks for, $4.99, $3.99, and a lot of different prices. And as I scroll down even more, you're going to see that there are more Kindle books that people have posted on this website. Some even selling up to $14. So look at this one right here, okay, where over 1,800 people have written reviews after purchasing these Kindle ebooks. So let's go on to our calculator. And let's say an ebook costs $13.99 and there are over 2,700 people interested in buying this ebook. You're going to see that this one Kindle ebook alone is going to make you $37,000. You're not even going to need any money to start. You're not even going to need much knowledge for this. All you have to do is copy and paste and use a ready for you template, which I am going to show you later in today's video. Now, the second website that I want you guys to go and visit is called visme.co. This website lets you and me create highly appealing and professional Kindle books. So like this one, we can sell for a lot of money without any experience, okay? First step is that you're going to choose a ready template, and there's a lot that you can choose from. And then step 2, you are going to pick a ready-to-use design. You can customize it however you want. You can change the background, the text, the size, the font color, just everything. And then step 3 is that you're going to be able to get these ebooks for free and you're going to be able to publish them on Amazon. So make sure you keep on watching, because I am going to show you guys everything right now. So you're going to go back, you're going to go in and click on this blue button right here, and then you're going to be brought to this page where you're going to be able to sign up for a free account. So anywhere in the world you can and start writing your ebook. So it's simple. You just have to fill in all the details being asked of you, your name, your email address, and if you scroll down below, there's a lot of documents available. There are reports, proposal, resumes, cover letters, and a lot more. So we're going to look for this one over here, ebooks, so that you can see your ebooks. And then as soon as you click on the ebooks button, you're going to see that there are a lot of templates that you can choose from. Very professional and very beautiful looking. If you scroll down, there are hundreds of options for your template that you can just click on and just have it done for you automatically. Saves you time and money and effort. So as you can see on the Kindle ebook website, there's a lot of different types of emails that you can sell, including arts and photography, business and money, education and teaching, and a lot more. But I do want you to focus on your health, exercise, and diet, since this is the category that you can make the most money from, which means you can make a lot of money online with just very little competition. Please leave a comment down below stating your favorite payment method, the country that you're from, and also include what other videos you'd like to see in our future videos, because it's going to be based completely off of all of your suggestions. We love to read through them, get some ideas, so make sure that you do that, and let's get back into the video. Now that you've decided on the area that you actually want to focus on, which is health and fitness, we're going to look for a template that is the perfect one for these types of categories. So if you want to use this template right here, it's very professional looking, very appropriate for the health and fitness theme. And if I'm going to click on this preview button right here, you're going to see what I'm talking about. You're going to see what's inside the template. So you can look at other cover photos. So if you scroll down below, you're going to see all of the pages included in this template. They're designed to show people how to lose weight, the kinds of fruit that they can eat, and the types of food that are healthy. This template already has a lot of information on it, and it's pretty much a finished ebook. So all you have to do is copy and paste, and as soon as you've done that, this template is ready for you. Now you're going to go back and you're going to click on this blue button to use it, and as you can see, you're going to go to this new page and you're going to edit it however you want. And one of the reasons that I love this so much is that they give you with a cover picture of the ebook. It's very professional. It's amazing. So let's say you're talking about calories or a good diet plan. There's so many pages and pages of information that you can copy and paste and start selling on Amazon right now. So if you don't like something on this page, you can double click on it, as well as the text, change the font size, really just edit it however you want, but everything is pretty much done for you, so you can just put your name or a nickname whatsoever. So let's say you want to change the title of this ebook and edit everything else that you want. But as soon as you are done and happy with that, all you have to do now is go onto the top, click the download button, which you can do either on your mobile phone or on your laptop. And the website that we're using is actually freeplrdownloads.com. This website has a large number of evil facts that you can simply copy and paste and download for completely free. So as you can see, there are a lot of different categories. So for right now, we're going to be focusing on health, and if you click on this health plan here, you're going to be taken to this category of health. And then if you scroll down, you're going to find a lot of different ebooks done for you, Kindle ebooks that you can download for completely free. For example, this one right here, all you have to do is click on this ebook, and then you're going to be taken to this page. And if you scroll down a bit more, you're going to see a blue download button, which you're going to click on, and then it's going to download. And then obviously you're going to have to sign up for a free account, and then it will be downloaded straight into your device, whatever you have. If you're enjoying our video so far, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet, because you are not going to regret it. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell beside it, so that every time we post a new video, you're going to be the first to know, and you're going to be the first to make money out of all of my lovely subscribers. So make sure that you do that, and let's continue. Once you've downloaded all of the health category ebooks, you're going to be able to start selling them on Amazon, making a lot of money using the free PLR website. And as soon as you've got your ebooks on visme.com, you can get them from freeplrdownloads.com. So once you've got an ebook, the next step is to post it on Amazon. So right now we're going to go to the Kindle Direct Publishing. You can go to their website, kdp.amazon.com, and then start publishing your own ebooks, just like this one, and then start making money. As you can see here, you can get to the marketplace really quickly, because publishing will only take you less than 5 minutes, and your Kindle store can be accessed absolutely anywhere immediately. So all you have to do, go to this page, click the sign up button, and then you're going to be directed to this page where you're going to continue on creating your account. And if you already have an account and you're ready and it's already logged in and signed up, then you can finally begin publishing your inbox, your book, upload them to Amazon, and then you're going to earn some money. And that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.